everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mikayla, and on Thursdays I post weekly food video recipes. This week I have 3 summer dessert ideas. The first one is lemon Meltaway cookies, and then the next 2 options are no bake to help keep your kitchen a bit cooler. So I have an American flag cake, and this is something that my grandmother had taught me, so on 4th of July I'd go over early and help out as a kid by making this recipe for her. And then the final recipe is an imitation Dole whip. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. These are the only ingredients we'll need to make the lemon Meltaway cookies, and I've listed the specific amounts of each ingredient in the description box down below. The first thing I'll do is get the wet ingredient mixture ready for the dough. So I'm going to zest some lemons. I'm going to look for a tablespoon of lemon zest, and I'm also going to juice them, and I'll need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to beat the butter until it gets into a creamier texture, and then I'll add in the ½ cup of powdered sugar. Now I'll add the tablespoon of lemon zest and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to blend that on a low setting just until it's incorporated. I've combined all the wet ingredients. I'm going to start making the dry mixture. Now I'm going to add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, along with a ¼ cup of cornstarch and a ¼ teaspoon of salt. Now I'll mix it together. Now that the wet ingredients are all set and the dry ingredients are mixed together, I'm going to start adding the dry ingredient mixture in about 4 batches. I'm going to blend that in until it's all mixed together. Now that the dough is mixed, I'm going to refrigerate it for 1 hour. Now I'm preheating my oven to 350. I've already lined a pan with parchment paper, and I have prepared a glass with some wax paper on the bottom because I'm going to use those to press the cookies. Just going to use a spoon to help me get it out. Kind of roll it into a ball to start, and then I'll use the glass to help me get them flat and even. Okay, I prepped all my cookies. Now I'm going to put them in the oven for 11 to 13 minutes. I've had the cookies in for 13 minutes. Now I'm transferring them to a cooling rack. I looked for slight browning on the edges to know that they were done. Now you could stop here with the cookies, but I'm going to make a glaze for them. But first I do have to let them cool, so I'm going to let them just sit on this rack and come back to them later. The cookies have had a chance to cool, and now I'm going to make the glaze. So I have a cup of powdered sugar, and I have a little bit over 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm just going to stir this together to combine it, and then I'll pour it over the cookies, let those set up for a moment, and then I can enjoy them or put them in the refrigerator for later on. For the American flag cake, I have 2 containers of pound cake, and it seems to be about 20 slices or so. And I have some Cool Whip, blueberries, and strawberries. For the imitation Dole Whip, you're going to need a tub of Cool Whip, which is 8 ounces, 6 ounces of pineapple juice, and about 2 cups of frozen pineapple. I'm just going to add the ingredients to the blender now. This is a super easy, less than 5-minute summer treat. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed learning the recipes in today's video. If you end up trying any of them, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of it. Next week I will be posting some more dinner ideas, so if you don't want to miss out on any recipes, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.